Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get your Airtable API key. It's important to note that Airtable has transitioned from traditional API keys to more secure personal access tokens, or PAT. These tokens provide enhanced security and allow for much more granular control over permissions. To begin, simply log into your Airtable account. Once logged in, locate your account icon in the upper right corner and select the Developer Hub from the drop-down menu. This is your gateway to managing all API-related access. Once you are inside the Developer Hub, you will see a section specifically for personal access tokens. This is where you will manage all your API connections. To create a new one, simply click on the prominent Create New Token button. The system will then prompt you to give your new token a name. It is highly recommended to choose a descriptive name, perhaps indicating the application or integration it will be used for. This practice will save you time and confusion down the road. The next crucial step involves defining the permissions, or scopes, for your new token. This is a significant security enhancement over older API keys. You can select precisely what actions the token is allowed to perform, such as reading records, writing data, or accessing base schemas. Additionally, you must specify which particular bases or entire workspaces this token can interact with. Always grant only the minimum necessary access to maintain strong security for your data. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the settings you have chosen for your new personal access token. Once satisfied, click Create Token. The system will then display your unique token. It is absolutely critical to copy this token immediately and store it in a secure location, as it will only be shown once. Remember, never share your token publicly or hardcode it directly into applications. For best practices, consider regenerating your tokens every few months to maintain optimal security.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.